students, today my topic is chemical properties of alcohol. So we continue this thing. Now second property is reaction with halogens. Halogens oxidize primary and secondary alcohol into aldehyde. If the primary alcohol get oxidized, it forms aldehyde, and when secondary alcohol oxidize, it forms ketone. The oxidation product undergo halogenation and form alpha halogen derivatives. For example, this is the primary alcohol. When it goes through the oxidation and chlorination, it forms aldehyde, and again it forms alpha halo compound. When this alpha halo compound further rearranged as a secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol oxidize, it forms halo derivatives. So come to second reaction, reaction with carbonyl compound. Alcohol react with aldehyde and ketone to give acetal and ketyls. First, aldehyde when react with alcohol, it forms hemiacetal. When further it react with again alcohol, it forms acetal. When ketone, because both the this bond have R, that is why it is ketone. When ketone get react with alcohol, it forms hemiketal, and when it further react with alcohol, it forms ketal. Now dehydrogenation. When vapor of primary and secondary alcohol are passed over red hot copper, aldehyde and ketone are formed. For example, if primary alcohol go through this catalyst copper at 300 degrees centigrade, it forms aldehyde. When secondary alcohol go the same, then it forms ketone. Tertiary alcohol, when treated with same catalyst, it forms alkene. Now reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. On heating with HI or red phosphorus, alcohol reduced to alkane. When this alcohol treated with HI in presence of red phosphorus as a catalyst and heat, then it forms alkane, water and I2. Now oxidation. Primary alcohol gives aldehyde, always primary alcohol gives aldehyde, and further oxidation it converted into carboxylic acid, such like this. When alcohol go to oxidation, it forms aldehyde. When further oxidation, it forms carboxylic acid. In secondary alcohol gives ketone. When secondary alcohol go for oxidation, they form ketone. Now combustion. Combustion is when alcohol burn in the air, it forms carbon dioxide and water. When this alcohol burned in the presence of oxygen and heat, it forms carbon dioxide and water. Reaction with acetylene. Acetylene when react with alcohol in presence of this NaOH at 150 to 180 degrees centigrade, it form acetal. Now come to next topic, distinction among primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. How we just define separately all three alcohol, what is the difference between all three alcohols. So first topic is oxidation. When primary alcohol go to oxidation, it forms aldehyde. When aldehyde go to oxidation, it forms carboxylic acid. So in secondary alcohol, when oxidized, it forms ketone. With very difficult situation, when oxidized, it forms carboxylic acid and alkyl acetate. This is the Puff's rule. When both of these are formed, it is known as Puff's rule. In case of tertiary alcohol, it is not oxidized easily, but with high temperature and this catalyst, it forms keto and carboxylic further oxidation. For further oxidation, dehydrogenation we discussed earlier, so we leave this. Now third is Victor-Mayer method. In this Victor-Mayer method gives the color on reacting with the certain reagent. When primary alcohol just react with iodine, it forms this alkyl iodoalkyl. When this iodo solution react with AgNO2, it forms nitro. When it is react with nitrous, it forms alkyl nitrolic acid. When it further react with NaOH, it forms red solution. This red solution is of alkyl sodium nitrolic acid. and with water molecule. Now come to secondary alcohol. When secondary alcohol react with I2 and phosphorus, it forms iodoalkyl. When further it react with AgNO2, it forms nitroalkyl. When it further react with nitrous oxide, it forms pseudonitrol. When it further react with NaOH, it forms blue color. Tertiary alcohol when react with I2 and P, then it forms iodoalkyl. AgNO2, where it forms nitroalkyl. When it react with nitrous oxide, it has no reaction, but as it forms no color. Then Lucas test. Lucas test is the reagent of Lucas is HCl and anhydrous zinc chloride. Both of these are the Lucas reagent. When Lucas reagent react with primary alcohol, it has firstly it has no reaction. But if we give it heat or high temperature to this primary alcohol, then it forms cloudiness. Now secondary alcohol at normal temperature, after 5 minutes it forms cloudiness. In tertiary alcohol, immediately it forms cloudiness. Now my question is for today is, write down all the chemical properties of alcohol. Thank you.